we are making the analysis based on price action. Okay. All right. So before that, let's understand a few things regarding price action. How many of you backtested the EMA strategy? How many of you have backtested? Can you please tell me? How is it working if you have backtested it? Looks easy. If you have not backtested, what to tell? How many of you backtested? If you have not backtested, then that is a different thing. Live market, like market will be opening tomorrow. So tomorrow you'll have to backtest it. Okay. Chalo. So did you find out one thing is that price action will be giving you early entry and EMA is going to give you late entry? So today, in today's class, we will be understanding when we combine price action and EMA, then how do we take up the trade? Let's understand that thing. Now, this is going to be the final stage of all of our strategy sessions, okay? And apart from that, we'll be having price action patterns, which we will be studying. Okay, but this is going to be the last class of the equity strategy. Rest is all the practicing the same thing. First thing is that let's understand if the market is in trend. Okay, as in trend means uptrend or downtrend. Okay, here price action and EMA decision. So basically, if market is an uptrend, okay. 1 minute. If market is an uptrend and if the price action is giving me one minute. If price action if the market is an uptrend, okay, and if price action is giving you buy side signal and EMA is also in buy side, then we can go for a buy side. Okay, and this is going to be the trade which can give you good target. So I always called it as most favorable trade. Okay, most favorable trade. If the price action is in buy side and EMA is in sell side, we will always go for buy side because we will be following the price action. If price action, okay, if price action is saying me that you go for selling side and EMA is also in sell side, then we will be going for sell side. If price action is in selling side and if EMA is in buy side, we will still go for selling side. So what I want to say is that if the price action is showing me the entry, okay, basically our normal support resistance is showing me the entry for sell side. No matter, it does not matter that whether the EMA is in buy side or sell side, it does not matter. What matters is the price action entry. Okay, so this is for the uptrend. If in a case market is giving me buy side entry, price action will follow price action. If EMA and price action both are in my favor, that is going to be the great trade which you will be taking it up. Then we have downtrend. In case of downtrend, okay, what will be happening? So in this situation, in a case, if price action is giving me like same thing, if price action is going for sell side, EMA is in sell side, we will go for sell, and this is going to be my most favorable trade. Most favorable as in it will be giving me more better targets. The chances of hitting the target, the accuracy will be more. If price action is in sell, EMA is in buy, and in a case, let's say over here, the decision which will be going for is the sell side. If price action is in like showing me buy entry, EMA is in sell side, we'll still go for buy side. If both are in my favor, we'll go for buy side. Okay, simple thing is that in a simpler way, if I say that the market is going upside At this point of time, I'm getting buying entry, and here my EMA crossover is also done. EMA is in upward series. This is my best friend. But at times you'll see that this is my entry point and EMA is in downside. So there also I'll be looking for the buying side only. Okay, please take a screenshot of this so that there is no confusion. Our main focus will aim for this kind of trade. If we are getting it, it's wonderful. Okay, clear till this point of time, everyone? Price action stands best option. Yes. All right, let's move ahead. And let's fill out all the details what we have already. Okay, let's go for Britannia or any of the stocks. We can go for it. Okay, first thing is that let's delete everything. Okay, we will have our the 3 EMA indicators and pivot points. That's it. Okay, we need to change the settings of this one. Okay, this will be the setting of the EMA. You can click over here. Pivot setting is already done, like it is Fibonacci itself. Okay, let's draw our support resistance and everything normally, whichever we do it. First, we'll go that let's go in. Let's get at this point of time. Now, if I have to draw my support and resistance line, I have one over here. Then I have at this point of time as well the same level. Okay. Then I'll be having at this point of time. Then we have around this level, this level, this level, and this level. After that, also, if in a case market is moving downside, we'll have it. Okay, we'll come to 1 hour time frame and we'll see is there any kind of trend line or anything which we can draw. Okay, that also will look ahead. As of now, this is also one level where market is acting as a good support level. We'll come to 15 minutes time frame and see. As of now, market is in the range, so no trade will be happening. Okay, we'll switch on all our indicators and let's go for 5 minutes. Data is not available. What the hell is this? Okay, so let me play and wait for the next day. All right, I wanted it to go. All right. Okay, sure. Where I have taken this information. Okay, I've taken in the month of November. Okay, 21st, that is the reason. Okay, I'll take the current month some data. I had taken way to backside because of that reason. Okay, fine. I'll take the data from this level. Okay, it is from the month of May. Over here, I'll go to 15 minutes time frame. I hope you'll be able to get the data. Yeah. So I just need to switch on all the indicators which I have right now. Market is in range bound. So we'll see for next trade. We'll see that how are we going to take up the trade and everything. Okay. EMA is also there. Okay. Now understand few things. Let's have a look in the 15-minute time frame as well. What is it happening? Market is moving in downtrend, right? If you can see this, market was moving in downtrend. So here we can draw one trend line. Please listen, like even if I'm telling you 2 entries or 3 entries, that is also fine. Okay. So you don't need to worry on that. I can, if you want, I can like I'll be sharing obviously the Hindi class video. So watch that video as well regarding the entry wise. Now let's understand that the market has broken this level. It went up, might be a retest. Okay, it can be a retest. We do not know. Okay, so let's see what is going to happen tomorrow. We'll accordingly act. Market opened directly here and it is gap down. So we won't be taking any kind of action as of now. We'll leave it. We are going to leave it completely. We'll wait. Even if we have to go for selling side, we'll wait for this level to cross and then we can go for selling side. Before that, we won't be going for it. Okay, here crossover has been done, but we need one more closing towards downside. Not yet done. So I'm going for the trade at this point of time. Listen to me. Why? Short position. Many of you do not even know that where do you place this short position. From the point I'm entering at this candle, so I'll place my short position over here. My stop loss is going to be above pivot points. My target will be kept around this 1:2. It is forming. I can see that where I can keep maximum. I can keep it around this level somewhere based on previous this rejections. I'm keeping it around this level. Okay. So I'll tell you that on every candle, how can we increase our target? Here is my entry. Why? The breakout has been done. The small range was there. Here my price action is also like saying me EMA is also in my favor. Plus this one is also great. So chances are pretty high that I'm going to achieve my target, but we'll understand how the movements are going to come. Next candle we'll see. Okay. That's fine. So over here, what I can expect is that maybe in next 3-4 candles, it will go, hit this and then it can come up like this. Okay. So let's see what is happening. Again, it has gone upside. Still, it has not hit my stop loss. So I'm still waiting. Okay. Here, I have clearly, what I'm seeing at this point of time, I need to fix a few things, which is my stop loss. My stop loss will be at this point of time. Like I have to increase my stop loss. Why? Here, the stop loss which I have set, it has not hit, by the way, because understand, when do we exit? If my candle is closing above my stop loss, then only I'm going to hit. It is going to get. Now, what has happened? What is happening over here? Market went down, came up, and then it may come downside. If it is not coming downside, mostly market will be moving between this range in this situation. So over here, I'll increase my stop loss to this level. Okay, on a safer end. And here my risk reward ratio will remain 1:1.7. So let's see if it gives me my target or stop loss. Okay, here my stop loss has got hit, which we have to accept it. Now, why my stop loss got hit? If we understand, okay, what can be the reason behind that? Okay, I particularly do not have any kind of reason that everything was fine. It should have gone downside. Everything was good over here. Okay, the perfect picture it was forming. But if I go back in the detail, we have a kind of rejections area coming up at this point of time. But every time it should not matter. Should have gone down. But again, it is market. It did not respect the levels which we drew. So over here, our stop loss has got hit and we'll accept it. Okay, we'll look for other trades and we'll see. The market will be moving between in this range itself now, which I told you that in a case, if my stop loss will get hit, it will move in between. Now my next trade will be happening. If I'm trading next, it will be, I need to see that which kind of pattern, like the trend it is forming over here. Like this is the channel it is forming as of now. Okay, let's come back to 5 minutes time. 5 minutes time frame. Okay, next day, my planning for this trade will be if market is reversing from here, okay, somewhere at this point of time, like if it comes down, if it goes up, then I'll go for the trade. Okay, for buy side. For selling side, still I will avoid. First candle is a pin bar. Again, if it is a pin bar, I prefer to avoid to go for buying side as of like till the time this level is not broken. So I won't be going for the trade. Okay, as soon as the level is broken, I needed a retest, wait for the retest. One candle closing towards upside, I can go for the trade. Here, I'm going for the trade. My stop loss will come down to this point of time. My target will go till this level. Okay, and this is my trade. I have taken it. Though what I can see, let me see if, what is the probability of achieving this target. 3368. 3368. Yeah. Few candles will be important for it, that if it is continuing this or not. So let's have a look on that. It should be achieving my target. Yeah, it has achieved my target. Here, price action plus EMA, market was in uptrend. Chances will be pretty high to go for, like my target will be achieving. Here, price action, EMA both was in the favor, but market did not respect. We got caught actually in a like if I see the movement, we got caught in this one. Okay, that can be one of the reason. Otherwise, that's completely fine. We have achieved this target. Okay, maximum, we can keep it up to here 1:2. It's a good trade to go ahead. And in a case if this level gets broken, market next level is 34.25, which is not going to come today itself. Market will maybe go in range. We don't have to do anything over here. Our target has been done. We should be happy. Next candle is closing like this. That's fine. We won't be initiating any kind of trade as of now. No trades. Our trade will plan once this level is broken, then only will plan any kind of trade. Okay, over here, what I am seeing is that the market is making again a new trend. Can I go for this trend or not? Okay, so I can still let it be. If I'm removing this one, that is also fine. Okay, that is also fine. Please let me know that did you understand the second and first trade which we had taken? This one, breakout, market came downside, again confirmation, we went for the trade, kept a target near R3, stop loss was kept below this level. All right, now over here again, if I have removed that trend line, now market isn't going in good direction. Okay, this is the thing. So I will not enter right away. I'll wait for the prices to reverse and then I will like to go, because even EMA is not that great as of now. So my planning will be key. I'll wait for a while. All right. So at this point of time, I'll prefer to enter. At this point of time, I'll prefer to enter. I'll have a stop loss at this level. Okay, from where market has been rejecting again and again. So just below that level, I'm going to keep my stop loss. Target which I'm going to plan, I'll come at this point of time and I'll see that from where market came and reversed. So this is one of the levels 3442. Apart from 3425, I have that level. So my first target, it is going to be around 1:1, and then final target will be set up at this level. So over here in this situation, what I like to do it is that you book some profit at this level and leave the remaining at this point of time. But that also depends on the candle movement. If the candle movement is good, if the candles are like having great movement, I will continue. Here, I will prefer to book like 25% quantity and I'll hold the remaining for the, again, market reversed. So it was not able to break. It was not able to break this level. All of a sudden, selling came. right? So I hope you understood one thing over here is that I have kept my target above this resistance level, which is a strong resistance level. So that is the reason over here I told I'll be booking some percentage and then I will be holding it. What is the probability of it still going towards upside? If if it is reversing from here, it can go upside, or else I will exit my trade. Maybe in some minimal profit I will exit. Still, I just hope it does not go in range. I'll prefer to exit at cost to cost, maybe at around some profit. Around cost to cost, I'll exit the remaining quantity. Okay. And I won't really take it up to the stop loss. So it was a better decision for me to exit at cost to cost. And at 25% quantity, let's say, for an example, if I've got 100 quantity, okay, I have purchased at 3408. I have sold this like almost at 25. So maybe 25 into if I do 25 into 20, okay, so I have sold, I have made 500 rupees profit, and this remaining 75 quantity I'll be exiting at cost to cost. So at the end I'll be in some kind of profit. Okay, so always remember the risk management is always going to be save you. Okay, so you'll get enough opportunity when you are not getting the market movement. I will exit the trade because anyway market has gone in the range, so I will not be taking it or holding it unnecessarily. What happened? One minute. Okay, this was the trade, yeah. Okay, so whenever the market goes in the range, I'll particularly exit my trades. Now my next trade planning will not be lying in any of these, because here there is a range, here there is a range. So I won't be planning for any kind of selling trade as of now. I will wait for my levels to come up and then I will go for the trade. So what I can see clearly, market will be taking support from this point of time. Okay, first thing is that. Second thing is that, did you understand the second entry, everyone? Did you understand the second entry? I'll repeat once again. One thing you need to understand, risk management is going to help you a lot. See, how to hold by not exiting, you will be holding it. Right? What is the confusion of as? If you are not practicing, then there will be confusion. So whatever I'm teaching you, did you practice it? How much time you are giving it to it? See, I feel only one thing is that there will be always some kind of confusion is always going to be there when I'm teaching you. You might be understanding the logic, but once you backtest this, I have seen many people who someone texted me in morning that he is not able to understand. I was not able to reply him because there were so many chats because of Diwali. Today I replied everyone. I guess everyone would have got reply by today itself for any of the text. Okay. Then in evening he's texting me. He understood. He cleared his doubts. I just asked him why. He was recording voice. So understand whatever I'm going to say you over here. Okay. When you will ask me the doubts, I'm going to repeat the same thing. Right. So if you are watching you just need, some people get that click in one shot. Some people takes time and it's completely fine. Okay. It's completely fine that if you're taking time to understand. Now over here, maybe everything is in sell side, but still I'll not plan for selling side. Okay. I won't be going for any kind of sell side as of now. Now, I just need to figure out whether this is a great level or to go for selling level or not. This is a support level, okay, which means if I am getting trapped in this, okay, can you see this? If I'll go for the trade, I'll get trapped at this point of time. Here is the S3. My risk reward ratio will not be good. It's better I'm avoiding this trade. It went up to S3, so maybe 1300. It could have given me 20 points, but still, I have preferred like let it go anywhere. My trade will be forming around this level now. Okay, it has gone way too up, by the way. But my reversal trade, understand over here, my now market went down, came up, went down, right? So from here, it was supposed to come downside. It did not come, right? It did not come. Over here, this was the level. As soon as this level is broken, my entry is getting triggered. My entry is getting triggered. Please listen to this point very carefully. When price action is in the buy side, here my price action at this point of time, it is in the buying point. My stop loss will be over here, right? Second thing is that I'm going to keep my target at this point of time at day high in the same range. I'm not keeping it above the range. Please listen to me very carefully. Whenever we are going for the trade where price action is showing me entry, EMA is not, I will always go around 10 or 20 EMA. Means I cannot go for the buy side if the prices are below 20 EMA. Means I cannot go for the, I cannot go for the trade at this point of time when the prices are below 12 EMA. I should always go at this like above 12 EMA or 24 EMA. Please note down, go for the trade, go for buy side if EMA is not in your favor. Okay. If the prices are above 12 or 24 EMA, and you should not go if the prices are around 55 EMA. If the prices are around 55 EMA, you should not be going for the trade. Can you please tell me the reason? Please tell me the reason why you should not going for the trade when the prices are near to 55 EMA. Yes, it's a strong resistance or support. So if you remember that point yesterday also, I had told you that this is going to be strong, like out of this, it is going to be always a strong support or resistance. Okay, for that reason. So I'm going for the trade at this point of time. What I can expect from the market to go up, come down a bit over here, and then it can go up and hit my target. So let's see, again, it is market. Let's see what is going to happen. Over here, it achieved like almost like 1:1.4 it gave, but market was stuck. So obviously 12:25 till like almost for half more than 45 minutes, market was not able to break this. I'll book out some quantity, 50% quantity. I love to book at this point of time, and I'll hold the remaining one for some kind like to achieve my target. I'll wait for it till now. Still, that is fine. But as soon as the next candle will close it, this candle, like any candle closing below this, I'll be exiting my trade. I'll still hold my trades till the target. I'll hold my trades. If it goes in range, that is fine. Here, I'm going to exit my trade. Okay, why did I exit at this point of time? Because from here, I was expecting like, like from market went up, should have gone upside. Okay, this could have been the figure. But again, market, what I wanted, it did not happen. Okay, so what I am observing, market went up, came down, should go up. And now like this, it should be coming down the side. Okay. I know the words, how easily I'm telling, you might not be able to grab it so easily. Okay. But I'm trying to explain you the structure of the market. See, it takes time to understand anything when you are learning it for the first time. Okay. Now, over here, my next trade, I just need to see in 1 hour as well, once again, that what is happening in the market. Okay. So I can see that I need to shift my some support resistance line as well. Okay, that is fine. And this is going to be like this. Okay, let's come to 50 minutes time frame. Sorry, 5 minutes time frame. Now over here, my trades are ready. Like I can go for the trade. As soon as the breakout is coming, I'll go for the trade. Okay, second candle itself, I had my trade. Why? Like this is at this point of time over here. Why I'm going for the trade? This is the level, like it tried to break. It is not that strong resistance which I can take care of it. Okay, so I can go for the trade at this point of time. First, I can go for the trade at this point of time. Here, I can keep my target up to R3. Okay, so here because of the movement, I'm going for it. I have like this is kind of, you can say, with the experience. I'll be like, I'll go for this trade. And if my target is not achieving in 2 or 3 candles maximum, okay, I will exit my trades. Means probability will be like that. The next candle, if it is in green, it will come down and then it should go up. Okay, so let's see what is happening. It achieved my target in next 3 candles itself. Okay. Now I have got over here 1:2.3. Let me explain you this trade, why I have taken it. See, this rejections area which you are seeing it, okay, this rejections area which you are seeing it, first thing, is a kind of normal resistance where market was not able to break it. It is not that strong where market is unable to break this level again and again. Now the first candle it informed, like market was closed over here. The first candle was a like gap up. Like market opened at this point of time almost like 20 rupees gap up. First candle only moved upside. Like almost it gave me the movement of from 350, it went up to 387. Almost like around 2% movement had come up. Right. I'm going on the second candle. I would not have gone on the second candle if this candle, remember this, if this candle had a wick like this, if this candle had a wick like this, I would not have gone for it. I would not have gone for it if this candle had a wick like this. It is a normal wick and still it is a bullish candle. Okay. I can go for the third candle as well. I could have gone for the third candle, but over here my stop loss will be small and the target will be also a bit like my stop loss will come to this point of time and this will be kind of risky trade. I will go for it. Okay. That could have been the situation. Now, another kind of trade right now, everything is in my favor. Okay, market will come down and if it starts going upside, next target I'll plan up to this level. So if it is happening, we'll wait for it. Market will go in range, so I'll avoid for the day. One minute, where it was. Yeah. So as of now, it looks like that market is going to go in range. So I will avoid it. I'll avoid for the day. Market, if market had to go upside now, it could have given me better move. So as of now, let it be. If it is going anywhere, okay, I can leave the trade. Okay. I won't really go from here till this point of time. I won't be going for that. Let it be if market is going till there or not. That is not my problem, but I will avoid. And that's what happened. You can see that the market went slowly, like it went in a slow, like slowly it has gone upside. Next, what has happened? Market went upside, like where my target was. Next, it achieved. Now let's come back to again 1 hour time frame and see. This is the market is still moving in good direction. Okay, that is fine. Let's come to 15 minutes time frame. We still have the movement towards upside. That means we cannot go for selling side. Okay, we cannot go for selling side. Can we go for buy side? Yes or no? So I need one candle closing towards upside to confirm that I can go for buy. If this candle is closing, okay. Can you please tell me, can we go for buy side at this point of time? Can we go for buy side at this point of time? No, I can ignore this resistance. Someone is saying, yes, what do you want? The retest. Retest is already done, right? Market went up, came down, it is going upside. Good bullish candle is there. What is the problem? Why are you ignoring? Huh? What am I ignoring? Why are you? Hey, first of all, Yashwant, write the complete thing in the one sentence. I am thinking that what I have ignored. Sir, pivot point ki setting once. Pawan. In the like as soon as I started the class, I showed the settings. See, there's no issue in that. I can directly go for the trade. The chances of this trade, like I'll tell you, long position over here planning, my stop loss will be over here, target I'm keeping it over here, 2.63. Okay, for this like 2.63, I can give my life. I will not go for the trade. How it is going to be possible? See, I need to figure out that this why I'm not considering this trend line as a strong level or something like that. It is nothing like that. I'm not considering this strong line as a support, like strong levels. Okay, so now see this one. I need to shift my trend lines. like in a proper way, right? From the last point, it has taken the support. I need to keep it around that level. Okay, this is where my trend lines are. Free time this. Just getting stuck here. What I was actually doing is that I was not ignoring that trend line. Okay. I'm just keeping it above till the R3, but I need to see before that the probability that market can actually reverse from any of the levels. Then at that point of time, I can shift my target up to that level. Okay, so that is my plan. Let me just go to that level. Okay. Now I need to see where market can reverse and where I can fix my target. So I can see one level, okay, which looks good for me for the reversal trade, which is around this point of time, which is 3530. 3530, and I need to see where are my S3. 3530 is the level. So somewhere it was coming around this point of time. I can keep my target. Okay, first thing is that. Second thing is that I can continue my trade even till over here. How? Based on the EMA. If the EMA is not reversing, I can continue. Okay. The reason why I'm going for the trade is very simple for me. Here at this point of time, my candles are coming. You got like even at this candle, can you agree that we can go for the trade? If not at this candle, right? We can go at this kind of candle itself, or even at this kind of candle for more confirmation if you're looking for it. That point of time, stop loss will come to this level. Now over here, I have kept my target around 36. Let's keep it at around 24. I'm keeping it based on the previous rejections which market had. Okay. And I will see that if it is reaching at this level, and if market is reversing, because over here also I have a like 1:1.2, I'm getting it. In case if market is reversing from this point of time, I can exit like half quantity. So let's have a look on this. It's a great candle. I can continue holding it. Here, I just need one candle to hit my target. It's completely fine how the market is moving. Look at the EMA lines. EMA lines are also good, which means I can continue this trade for my target. If in next two candles, if my target is not hitting, I will exit all my quantity. Almost near to my target, it has hit my target. Fine. Now I could have increased at this level, and this is also possible. Let's say I'm increasing it over. I do not know whether it is going to achieve it or not. But if any candle closing around this, and if it is a bullish candle, there will be 99% chances that it can go up to that level. Bullish candle, like still these kind of candles I don't need. Maybe I can check in 15 minutes time frame. It is not. No, I need a candle of the like same size but in 5 minutes time frame. So that will show me why I need this. If I have to tell you, that will show me that the buyers are interested. They are buying it, right? So as of now, I'm not sure that it can go up, but yeah, this candle is giving me indication, the boss, there are chances that 3534 and there is approximately 20 more points. One candle up and it's boom. Again, one candle towards upside had a wick. If this candle would have been like the same kind, then I would have continued. But over here, fine. I can continue, like even if my target was there, I could have continued till the time, till this level, I could have continued. As soon as this level was broken, I'll exit my trade. I will exit my trade. Let's say how with the help of EMA, I'm able to book bigger targets. I entered around this point of time. ठीक है? Listen to me very carefully. It gave me a profit of almost 42 points. My target was somewhere around 34 points, but like let's say I'm keeping my target for 60 points. I'm continuing my trade till when I can continue. Like if you see this, market went up, came down, went up, came down. It was supposed to get reversed from here. It did not reverse. I will exit at this level. I've already exited like 75% quantity. I had 100 quantity. I have exited 75 at my target and holding the remaining to achieve my like if in a case if EMA is in my favor, it can go upside. Okay. Now at this point of time, what do you think? The market will be coming downside? No. If it is taking support from here, it can reverse once again. If it is taking that, market will particularly go in kind of range. Went in range for a while, breakout. Now from here, market will show you the fall. We can have one more entry at this point of time. Stop loss will be over here. Target which we can keep it up to here. 1:2.5. But I will avoid this trade for sure. The reason is very simple. One trade I have taken, which was achieved. Second trade, this is also fine. I guess I'll prefer to go reversal. If the next candle is bearish, that will be perfect combination for me to go for the trade. This candle, one candle closing in downside. Downside below this level I need. That's a confirmation for me. Did not get it. अब आया, अभी भी नहीं आया. By the time it is coming at this level, it is already 3 o'clock. So obviously I cannot go for the trade. But in a case, if it would have come, like if this candle would have closed over here, I would have like, obviously I will not go for the trade. Why? Please, can you please tell me why I'll avoid this trade even everything will be fine around this level? Okay, at 2.25, I will everything like this candle would have closed in red. Still, I would have avoided this trade. Why? 2 p.m. time. The time is already like 2 p.m. We might not get the movement, so it's better to avoid. Now, few important things. Do not worry, I'll be telling in the psychology class. Okay. Few important thing is that you have to understand. When we trade, we only look for the price actions. Okay. Here, market, we had a reversal trade at this point of time. Those who are in PTM, you know that pretty well which strategy is working for us at this point of time. Market is reversing. I can go for the trade at this point of time. So, but here also, like it is according, like if you see this, this is the trend line. Remember, see, here was the trend line. I clearly told that I will be exiting my trade if I am not getting the movement. Okay, that means which is kind of risky trade I'm taking, which nobody noticed it. A good question came up that why did I ignore this trend line? Why did I ignore this trend line? Why? What was the reason? It could have taken exact support and could have come downside, right? The reason is very simple that I have not ignored it. I have just like I was seeing that maybe the probability will be high that prior to that, okay, the market had a reversal. Like after around, I told you the level also around 35.30. I had told market had gone till this level. Like I had kept my target till here only, right? Yeah. Here and market had reversed. Last time somewhere here it went, it came downside. My next trade would have formed when market is reversing from the resistance level. Okay, at this point of time. Two things you need to understand as a beginner. Once you have got your target, what you have to do? What you have to do? Once you've got your target, what you should do? Exit your trades, done for the day. You should not aim for some bigger target. You should never aim for a bigger target as a beginner. Like maybe after 2 months, 3 months, you can start doing that. But because as a beginner, you should aim for getting the confidence. Okay, whatever you have got, be happy with that and just leave the trade. Okay. See, even till now also, if I am trading in the option market or equity market, I've got like I aim only for 2 trades. Where I look for the risk reward ratio, maybe 1:1, 1:1.8 or 2. maybe 2 trades. Sometimes my trade gets over around 10 o'clock, or maybe sometimes the last time I had closed my trades around 9:30 itself. Okay. And sometimes it goes till 11 o'clock. But once I have booked my profit, I prefer that can closing my laptop, because if I'm seeing it, I might be, feel like let's go for another trade. That used to happen. Right now I feel like once I'm done with the trade, I do not take it up. I don't even use the laptop, because there are many other things like replying to your queries. Again, that comes in always the picture. So I always avoid taking of the trade if I have made like 4% target or 5%. Sometimes if the stock is pretty good, going good, like if the option market is good, at times I make like 20% or 10% or 30% also it goes, but not every day. My aim is only if I'm trading, I'm risking 2%, I should aim for around 4 to 5% return. That's it. That's more than enough for me. If I'm making like, let's say 50,000 rupees a day, okay, and that's approximately 10 lakh rupees per month, right? What else I need? I just need maximum 50,000 rupees per month to live. Like that is also maximum, I'm telling you, for all my like whatever the expenses I have, but I do not have this much expenses. So I trade only till that key, like my greed should not control me. Okay, so that you have to remember. So I'm opening the chat box. If it is clear for you, how do we take up the trade based on price action and EMA? First, tell me that key. Did you like the complete way of trading? Now this is all the bridge is connected. Did you understand how do we take up the trades properly, combining with the price action, and how the EMA is going to help? I hope you are able to understand one thing, is that if from class 1 I have been telling, I'll be connecting the dots, every dots will be connected. All the dots are connected now. When we should enter into the market, boss, that depends when we are getting the entry. Price action not really clear. Can you tell briefly, please, what do you mean by that? When you are saying that it is not clear. Up. Okay, 1 minute. Please explain one more time in price action, as in what you are asking, that one more time in price action, like what is it? Uptrend to option not clear. Okay, it means directly if market is in uptrend, if it is buy side or sell side. Okay, let me go ahead. So as of now, market is in uptrend. Okay, and here I'm going for the trade for buy side. EMA is in sell side, and still I'm going for buy side itself. That's what it means, Yashaji. That this EMA did not work for Bank Nifty. If this EMA will not work for Bank Nifty, I will leave stock market. Can you bet on that, Siddharth? If yes, then I'll go to that. Because when I'm trading, I have already backtested this, what is working or what is not working. So before claiming anything that it is not going to work in the Bank Nifty, let's come on this. Let's bet for 10 lakh rupees or 1 lakh rupees or 1,000 rupees. I'll show you right away. But if you're promising that you'll check once again, then it is going to see. One more thing is that you see, EMA thing will be working only like, if you're using it with the price action, then only it is beneficial. Okay. Second thing is that EMA, the main work which I use for EMA is the continuation of the trend. If till when I can go for the trade. You're talking about Bank Nifty, right? So let's go for Bank Nifty and see. Now, if you can see that Bank Nifty, wherever the crossover was done at this point of time, market came down, went up. Here was your entry, right? Market went up, came down. At this point of time, here was your entry. There was no crossover yet. Again, the crossover was done. Again, this is the Murat trading. Market went up, came down. Here was your entry. Went till this next resistance, because this is first candle was the bearish candle. So we won't be going for the trade. So whenever market is going to be in trending market, okay, you will always see one thing common. If you can see over here, if I remove everything, okay, you can see the crossover was done. Immediately after the crossover, the market has come into the series somewhere here at this point of time, but with the help of price action, we had the entry at this point of time. You can see market has gone good enough. Right. If you have theory to read, please share it. I do not really believe in the theory, reading the theories or anything, but if you want to, let's say, gain some extra knowledge, okay, gain some extra knowledge, and if you want to read some book related to that, I've already shared many books with you guys, and one book which I will tell you that maybe by Ashwini Gujral, there is one book, How to Make Money from Intraday Trading. I've read that book. What I've understood from that book, it has given all the explanation. There are so many indicators, it have explained everything. Okay. So you will be confused more. If you want to read, like there is one more book which is Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns. That book you should read. Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns. इतना फास्ट बोलते हो आप, कुछ नहीं समझ में आता है भाई। मैंने कितनी एंट्रीज आपको पिछले कितने 20-40 मिनट मैंने कितनी एंट्रीज बताई, आप देखो। एक एंट्री यहाँ पे, कहां पे, आप देखो हमने कितनी एंट्रीज बताई, 1 2 3, ठीक है, एक 4 एंट्री यहाँ पे था, ठीक है, और शायद इसके बाद एक और 5 या 6 एंट्रीज मैंने बताई है। अब 40 मिनट में मैं 6 एंट्रीज बता रहा हूं और आप ये बोल रहे हो कि मैं नहीं, वही लास्ट था, 1 2 3 4 5, 4 या 5 ही एंट्रीज मैंने बताई। ठीक, अब बताओ 40 मिनट में मैंने आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ 5 एंट्रीज बताई और आप बोल रहे हो कि मैं बहुत फास्ट समझा रहा हूं। एम आई गोइंग टू फास्ट? मैंने बहुत फास्ट समझाया है आपको। अगर किसी को लगता है कि 40 मिनट में 5 एंट्रीज कम बोले तो समझ में भी आता है यार, फास्ट कैसे बोल रहे हो। ब्रो 3 EMA इनपुट आई फॉरगॉट, यू टेल मी। लो भाई, price action trading is a strategy that helps to predict market movements by spotting patterns or signals in the price movements of an underlying market. And that is a definition. No, see that. When we trade in bank nifty, it is not like similar to the equity trade. There are many things which we need to understand when we trade in the bank nifty. So that's why in the advanced course we have approximately like 20 chapter, like 20 to 30 classes just to understand how does like all the strategy and everything, to understand that key, how does the bank nifty 50 works. I hope above that you got the definition. See, price action, it simply means that with the how does the prices are moving, on that basis the behavior of that. Let's understand, if I am getting angry when someone is asking a stupid question, right? So over here, what you are going to do, you will stop asking me the stupid questions, right? So I will not be getting angry. But if you'll ask me the stupid questions, I'll be getting angry. Same over here, sometimes prices goes to certain level and they reverse their direction. They start going towards opposite direction. Okay. So if it is happening, we'll observe that this is the price action, like, no, these are the behavior. Okay. If you wanted a definition, then you can go, Chetan has sent you one definition. In the uptrend, how can we sell? In uptrend, how can we sell? If the market is giving us a movement towards the, like, obviously after going till this point of time, market has to come downside. So if we are getting entry, then only we have to go for it. I mean, normally what time it starts? See, normally you have to start trading like after 9:30. Can we use this strategy for Bank Nifty and Nifty 50? Yes. So जो पूछ रहे थे price section क्या होता है? Sir, please suggest stocks to watch tomorrow. Hindustan, Pidilite, M&M, Grasim, Dixon, just these 5 stocks. Pivots point setting एक बार explain कर दो. I'm unable to set. देखो explain तो मैंने बहुत पहले कर चुका था, तो अब आप सिर्फ देख लो, बाकी सेम टू सेम अपने में डाल देना. Thanks, Chetan. Can you please see the Bank of India market? I will not really see any kind of markets at 12 EMA and buy signal. So 12 EMA and buy signal, we should enter. What do you mean by that? I did not get your point. Bank of India. The day, I guess, just choose the stocks from Nifty 50. That will be the best for you. Oh, what has happened to this stock? From nowhere, 48. It moved up almost like 10%. Maybe there will be some kind of quarterly news. Nothing else in this to see. Like if I have to go for trading, like for intraday, you can choose this stock as well for trading, where you had got the entry that you should be telling me, but I won't really suggest you to go for this stock for intraday trading. Now it has given you the movement, maybe because of the result, but if you go prior, if you see how the candles are, you should avoid. You should look for the candles where you are seeing a proper trend, either like this. Okay, that's what I meant. Okay. Tomorrow also we'll be having class for remaining chart patterns. Now, practice what I have taught you. Okay. Practice the strategy in Dixon. M&M, Mahindra and Mahindra. Grasim. Hindustan Unilever. Pidilite. Okay, I hope you have taken the practice. So I will practice the strategy in this stocks and will trade. You can take one quantity trade. I want you to take this trade. Just one quantity, not for the profit, to understand this. Okay. We'll take trade with one quantity, real trade. Okay. Might be you'll be losing maybe 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 30 rupees maximum. You have to give up this amount of money. Okay. With one quantity. Will you do that? Will you do that or not? Understood or not? Like at least 50% is what I have taught you. See, if you want to make money, you will have to put efforts by. If you are not putting efforts, how it is going to be possible, boss? Forex, the ultimate guide to price action. You have still not opened it up. You should have. Just take up the trade, believe in yourself that you can do it. If you are not believing in yourself, then that is not going to work out. Okay. Now, what is the again? I have told you, ye code hai. This is the code. Write the code. Okay. This is for the first time ever I'm going to do it for you. Okay, like I've never done it with the Smat class. So just let me check with the dates. 30th is the Sunday. So tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow is Thursday, Friday. Okay. Maybe on 29th or 30th, I will take one session, maybe starting from 12 o'clock for 3 to 4 hours, where you have to tell me the stock name and where you have like I'll give you this list of stock names, not just yours. From my like Nifty 50 should be okay. That should be the list of stocks where you will tell me you are going for buy side or sell side. Okay, and this is the reason. So maybe one stock will take me around 5 minutes to explain you. I'm considering that. So in this way, if I am able to do it, let's say 20 or 30 stock analysis, so it will help everyone to improve their trading. So if there is something wrong, that also will be helping out. And if there is anything right also, that also will be going ahead. So with that thing, you can practice it and do well. You this Thursday and Friday, practice in the live market. You'll get a lot of understanding. I want you to do practice. Like these 200 people should take one quantity. Not for the profit, give at least 10 rupees, 20 rupees to the market here. You have been burning cigarettes like anything, so you can do that at least. Okay. So will you do it or not? Or you'll be still like, I'll think and then I'll do it. कर देना, दान कर दो थोड़ा मार्केट को. पहले कैसा है, like we'll give money, then we'll take money. Okay, if you'll take money from the beginning, still sooner you'll start giving your money. Short-term trading plan में post करो. I didn't really get your question. I mean, when the candle crosses 12 EMA and buy signal on candles, we should enter. Faiz, I'm requesting you to watch the recordings once again. I'm telling that we trade based on the price action. See, there is a festival we celebrate over here in like in northern side, that is Chhat Puja. So I'm not really sure the main day when it is. Okay. So once I'll figure out that, I'll ask my mom when it is, and then we can go ahead. While practicing, how many stocks to study at a particular time? 5. I have account on Grove. Can we do it on that? You can do it on any stocks. Can we do it on 30th October? I am available on 30th October mostly. I want to take it around 30th itself. Sunday, the chances will be high, but I'll update you. I'll update on the time by today itself. Aniket Raj, I have not even taken one class of options, so you need to have patience. I will be taking it up. Okay, do not worry on that. So that's all from my end, guys. Bye, good night, take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, chalo. Puja is on 30th. 30th को है, देखते हैं क्या टाइम निकालते हैं करके. Okay, एक शाम में होती है, एक सुबह में होती है, तो whichever the possible timing, I'll go ahead with that. Yes, you will get the recordings as well. Show the code. I don't know whether the code is there or not. Yeah, oh yeah, it is. Peace out. Chalo. So how about app, which I've already onboarded everyone. Okay, I've not yet given the details, not getting enough time because of these festivals and all. See, as you are struggling with the time, even I am struggling like the things, but still I'm continuing the classes, because if I will break the flow, then yours, like last time I was in last batch, I was not well and I was not able to take class for almost 10 days. So what happened that even 200 people were joining. Like when I started, only 100 people were joining. So that thing I don't want to happen because of me or because of festival. It should like not, like people should not no lose out the interest from here. Okay, sure. That's all from my end, guys. Bye, good night.